Are you looking to boost your wealth and secure your financial future? Personal finance can often feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. By implementing a few strategic hacks into your daily routine, you can make significant strides toward achieving your financial goals. In this guide, I'll share 15 personal finance hacks that can transform your financial landscape. Whether you're aiming to save for a big purchase, invest for retirement, or simply improve your spending habits, these tips will help you take control of your money and pave the way to a wealthier future. Stick around as we explore these powerful strategies, starting from number 15 and counting down to the ultimate game changer. At number 15, one of the simplest yet most effective personal finance hacks is to automate your savings. In today's fast-paced world, it can be easy to forget to set aside money for future needs. By automating your savings, you can ensure that a portion of your income is automatically transferred to your savings or investment accounts each month. This not only helps you save consistently, but also reduces the temptation to spend that money. Many banks and financial institutions offer this service, allowing you to set up automatic transfers on payday. Over time, these small contributions can add up significantly, helping you build a substantial nest egg for emergencies or future investments. Coming in at number 14 is the importance of creating and sticking to a budget. Understanding where your money goes each month is crucial for managing your finances effectively. Start by tracking your income and expenses, categorizing them into fixed, variable, and discretionary spending. Use budgeting tools or apps to simplify this process and ensure that you're aware of your spending habits. Once you have a clear picture, allocate funds to each category and set limits. This habit not only helps you control your spending, but also allows you to identify areas where you can cut back, ultimately freeing up more money to save or invest. At number 13, we have the often overlooked employer benefits that can significantly boost your wealth. Many employers offer various benefits, such as retirement plans, health savings accounts, and educational assistance. Make sure you fully understand what benefits your employer provides and take full advantage of them. For example, contributing to a 401k plan, especially if your employer matches contributions, is essentially free money that can help you grow your retirement savings. Additionally, consider using health savings accounts, HSAs, if available, as they offer tax advantages that can enhance your financial position in the long run. Coming in at number 12 is a simple hack that can save you a substantial amount of money: cutting unnecessary subscriptions. In our increasingly digital world, it's easy to accumulate subscriptions for streaming services, magazines, and other memberships that we don't frequently use. Take some time to review your monthly expenses and identify subscriptions you no longer need or use. Canceling these can free up extra cash that you can redirect towards savings or investments. Consider consolidating services as well. For instance, many streaming platforms offer similar content, so you may not need multiple subscriptions to enjoy your favorite shows. At number 11, investing in yourself is one of the most valuable things you can do to enhance your financial future. This can take many forms, including education, skills training, and personal development. Whether it's enrolling in courses to further your career or attending workshops to develop new skills, these investments can lead to higher earning potential. Look for online courses, certifications, or local workshops that can enhance your skill set and make you more competitive in the job market. The more knowledge and skills you acquire, the more opportunities you'll have to advance your career and increase your income. Coming in at number 10 is the concept of mindful spending. This practice encourages you to be intentional about your purchases, focusing on what truly brings you joy and value. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your financial goals and whether it's a want or a need. Taking a moment to reflect on your spending can prevent impulse buys and help you make more informed decisions. Consider implementing a 24-hour rule for larger purchases. If you still want the item after a day, it might be worth the investment. This habit can lead to more thoughtful financial choices and help you save more over time. At number 9, take advantage of cashback and rewards programs. Many credit cards and shopping apps offer cashback incentives or points for purchases you're already making. By utilizing these programs wisely, you can earn money or rewards on everyday expenses. Just be sure to pay off your credit card balance each month to avoid interest charges. Additionally, explore apps that offer cashback for groceries and other everyday purchases. These small rewards can accumulate over time and provide extra funds for savings or investments. Coming in at number 8 is the necessity of building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial safety net can provide peace of mind. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a dedicated savings account that you can easily access in emergencies. Start small if needed. Even setting aside a few dollars each week can add up. Having this fund not only protects you from financial stress in times of crisis, but also allows you to take calculated risks in other areas of your financial life, such as investing. At number 7, educating yourself about investments is crucial for building wealth. Many people shy away from investing due to a lack of knowledge or fear of losing money. However, understanding the basics of investing can empower you to make informed decisions that can enhance your financial future. Start by reading books, attending workshops, or following reputable financial blogs to learn about different investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. The more you know, the more confident you'll become in managing your investments, ultimately leading to better financial outcomes. Coming in at number 6, diversifying your income streams is a smart strategy for boosting your wealth. Relying solely on a single source of income can be risky, especially in uncertain economic times. Consider exploring side hustles or freelance opportunities that align with your skills and interests. Whether it's selling products online, offering consulting services, or creating digital content, these additional income streams can provide financial stability and help you save more. Diversifying your income not only protects you during lean times, but also accelerates your journey toward financial independence. At number 5, negotiating your salary can have a significant impact on your financial well-being. Many people hesitate to discuss salary with their employers, fearing it may jeopardize their job security. However, it's essential to recognize your value and advocate for fair compensation. Research industry standards for your role and prepare to discuss your contributions and achievements. Approach the conversation with confidence and a positive attitude, focusing on your value to the company. Even small raises can accumulate over time, leading to increased savings and investments. Coming in at number 4, understanding the power of compound interest is crucial for growing your wealth. Many people underestimate how quickly their money can grow through compounding. Essentially, compound interest means you earn interest on your initial investment and the interest that accumulates over time. This effect can significantly enhance your savings if you start investing early. The earlier you begin contributing to your retirement account or investment portfolio, the more you can take advantage of compound growth. This principle highlights the importance of starting to save and invest as soon as possible, even if it's just a small amount. At number 3, maintaining a healthy credit score is essential for financial success. Your credit score impacts various aspects of your financial life, including loan approvals and interest rates. To maintain a good credit score, consistently pay your bills on time, keep credit utilization low, and regularly check your credit report for errors. Address any discrepancies promptly, as they can negatively affect your score. A healthy credit score can save you thousands of dollars in interest payments over time and provide you with more favorable borrowing options. Finally, coming in at number 2 is leveraging the benefits of passive income. Creating streams of passive income can significantly enhance your financial stability and help you build wealth over time. Passive income comes from investments or assets that generate income without requiring constant effort on your part. This could include rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or creating digital products that sell over time. By building these income streams, you can supplement your regular income and achieve financial freedom more quickly. At number 1, the most important hack to boost your wealth is having a long-term financial plan. Without a roadmap, it's easy to lose sight of your goals and veer off course. Take the time to set clear financial objectives, whether they involve saving for retirement, purchasing a home, or funding your children's education. Break these goals down into actionable steps and regularly review your progress. A well-structured financial plan provides direction and motivation, ensuring that you remain focused on your financial journey. These 15 personal finance hacks can dramatically improve your financial situation and help you build wealth over time. By implementing these strategies, you can take control of your financial future, create a safety net for yourself, and work toward achieving your financial goals. Remember, building wealth is not an overnight process. It requires patience, persistence, and a commitment to making smart financial choices. As you embark on your journey to financial empowerment, keep in mind that even small changes can lead to significant results over time. Whether you choose to automate your savings, negotiate your salary, or invest in yourself, each step you take brings you closer to your financial dreams. If you found these hacks helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and insights on personal finance and wealth-building strategies. Your financial journey starts today, and the possibilities are endless.